Hi, everybody, cult members. Today's video, we are talking about the importance of believing in yourself as an artist because that's something that I realize I have not been doing as of late. Number one, the reason that this is important is because confidence fuels creativity. What do I mean by this? When you believe in yourself, you feel more free to experiment, make mistakes, and create without fear. Self-doubt is what leads to hesitation. When you believe in yourself, it gives you the courage to take chances and to push through the parts of your process that are more difficult because you believe that you can overcome them rather than giving up. And it also helps in sharing your work as well, which can lead to you getting feedback from other artists or just motivating you in general to continue creating art if you are confident enough to share it. Number two, progress depends on persistence. Now, obviously, as an artist, developing your art style and improving your skills takes time. It's a journey. And if you don't believe in your ability to improve, you'll burn out quickly because it's kind of like, well, what's the point if I just suck, like, and I am not getting any better, then like I might as well give up, which is kind of how I've been feeling recently. Like, not consciously, I'm not thinking that to myself, but I think subconsciously it's like I feel like my progress has stagnated, which is not true necessarily. I just haven't been drawing consistently for the past couple months, which has led to me finding it hard to draw whenever I do get back into it and like start sketching something. And I usually tend to draw the same things quite often, aka like character headshots. I know, so creative, but that's what gets me to draw. And because of that, I think my skills are very limited in terms of anatomy, like adding movement to your art, composition, even like shading and, well, maybe not shading, but like color theory and any like basically every other component of art I struggle with because I don't practice it. Anywho, you believing in yourself will allow you to be more persistent in overcoming challenges, which leads to you being more consistent, which therefore leads to you growing as an artist and improving. Number three, reject. Let's restart that. Rejection and criticism are inevitable. So if you are doubting yourself and you have other people telling you that you suck and that your art is terrible and it's never going to get better, and you believe that about yourself, then you're going to give up because you believe what these people are saying. But if you believe in yourself, even if it's delusional, you will continue to create art because it's something that you enjoy. You believe that you will improve and you like the progress that you're making or the art that you're currently creating, no matter what anyone else says. And I feel like believing in yourself also makes you more receptive to criticism because rather than taking things personally, you are open to the feedback and genuinely listening to how you can improve your art rather than trying to sort of defend it and be like, well, you know, I used to do this in high school with my art teachers. They'd tell me to do something or like I could have done something better and then I'd get offended and cry about it. No, I wouldn't cry, but I'd get pretty close. No. So, yeah, basically it's just I wrote here your shield against discouragement, and it helps you separate your worth from your work or your work from your worth. Number four, belief helps you set bigger goals. So here's another thing leading to like self improvement, improving your skills as an artist. If you believe in yourself, even if you're being delusional about it, um, you will set bigger goals for yourself just naturally because you believe that you are capable of more, even if that's not necessarily true. But it is true because whatever you put your mind to, you can achieve it, right? Yeah, believing in yourself means you allow yourself to dream bigger, reach higher, and actually take those scary leaps like selling your art, applying to galleries, or starting that YouTube channel. So anything that maybe your goal as an artist is not necessarily um okay, let me restart this sentence that I just started. What the fuck am I even saying? For me personally, I am not looking to pursue art as a full-time career. You might be in the same boat, but this point can still apply to us in terms of like maybe we're not trying to put our art in art galleries, but like we can set bigger goals for ourselves in terms of like artistic improvement and things that we want to try within our art because we believe in ourselves. You know what I'm saying? You get it. I think we all get it. So I'm going to move on to 5. People mirror your energy. If you don't believe in your work, why should anyone else? It's hard to sell something that you don't think is good. So if you're trying to make money from your art, or you're just sharing your art with people online, you're trying to like grow a following, whatever, if you think your art sucks, like how are you gonna expect that other people are gonna, like maybe other people will think it's good, but the quantity of people that will think it's good might be less because where am I going with this? I just lost my train of thought. Basically, if you show up with confidence, people are more likely to support you, respect your craft, and invest in what you create. So just be more confident. Just be Delulu. Delulu is the Salulu. That's the message of today's video. And number 6, you're the constant in your journey. So what do I mean by this? With everything that is changing in the art community in terms of like styles changing or trends, certain platforms dying, like DeviantArt, for example, stuff like that, or like the rise of AI, things like that. Continuing to believe in yourself no matter what is happening around you is very important because that will make those changes less likely to affect you or stop you from creating art. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that I said something that was valuable. I kind of just yapped because I needed some motivation. I hope that you feel motivated. And thank you for watching. And I think I just already said that. Give the video a like if you found it helpful. And if you give it a dislike, please tell me why you hated it in the comments. And subscribe to join the cult. We'd love to have you join us. We have a good time here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.